Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Pilgrim Vitamin C serum for a full guide to radiant skin. This powerful serum is known for its ability to brighten your complexion and even out skin tone. It also works diligently to diminish the look of dark spots and fine lines. Plus, it provides excellent antioxidant protection, helping your skin combat daily environmental stressors. Incorporating it into your routine can truly transform your skin's appearance. Applying your vitamin C serum is straightforward. First, ensure your face is freshly cleansed and dry. Next, take about 2 or 3 drops of the serum onto your clean fingertips. Gently pat the product all over your face and neck, avoiding direct contact with your eyes. Give it a minute or two to fully absorb into your skin before moving on to your next skincare step. For optimal results, it is best to apply your vitamin C serum once a day, typically in the morning. This timing helps maximize its antioxidant protection against daily environmental aggressors. Always remember to follow up with a broad-spectrum sunscreen, ideally with an SPF of 30 or more, to protect your skin. Consistent daily use over several weeks will yield the most noticeable and beneficial changes to your complexion. Here are a few essential tips for using your serum effectively. Always perform a patch test on a small area of skin, like behind your ear, before full facial application. Store the serum in a cool, dark place to preserve its efficacy, as vitamin C can degrade with light and air exposure. A mild tingling sensation upon initial use is often normal. However, if you experience persistent irritation or redness, discontinue use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.